Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter surface area, similar figures, side lengths and angle measurement, similar triangles and indirect measurement, area between two shapes. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 9 math. Let's just start with the lesson surface area. What is the surface area? We need to calculate the surface area of the cube. So the cube has faces. Right? Let's just start with the area. We have to area of the face, right? That is side times side. So 3 times 3 is 9. So the area of spaces is 6 times 9, 4 square millimeters. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the surface area? Let's just calculate the surface area. Let's just calculate the area of the face. This is the triangular face. So the area is half times base times height, that is 1 by 2. Base is 12, height is 8. 2 times 6 is 12, that is 48. Side has same area, that is 48, right? 48 is the area of two faces. Now let's just look at this rectangular. That is 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So on the other side, that has exactly the same area. Now calculate the area of the base, that is 10 times 12. So 120. Let's just add now all the areas. They are 100 plus 100, 200, 320 plus 96. That is 416. That is 416. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the surface area? Let's just calculate the area of every face, each faces. So let's just calculate the area of the triangular faces. Now area of this face is this face and this face have same area 40. Now let's just add the so that we have two triangular faces 12 plus 12, two rectangular faces that is 40 plus 40, and one base that is 48. So now when you add all the areas that is 152. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 152. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the surface area? So that is a cube, right? So we need to calculate the area of one face. So 6 times 9 is 54. So area of each face is 54. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 54. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is similar figure, side lengths, and angle measurement. But if these two shapes are similar, what is the measurement of the measuring it to form a proportion between the similars? So the triangular shorter side have a ratio 2 by 1, right? Like this side. This side is similar to this side, so they have the ratio 2 by 1. Longer has this 2, 4 by. Now we need to form a proportion that is 2 by 1 equals 4 by t. Just solve this equation for t, so then t equals to. Let's just start with the test questions. If these two shapes are similar, that is t by 64 equals 27 over 24. So t equals, so 27 times 64. That is 72. Option number 2 is the correct option. 72. It is basically you need to proportion between their similar sides and then you have to equate and solve for the variable. Okay, so the similar sides are, let's just form a portion, that is b by 1 equals 12 over 2. To solve it for b, so that is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is d by 4 equals 1 by 2. So d equals 2. Option number, the correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sixty-three it is. The my missing angle is 60. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sorry, 2. If these two shapes are similar, what is the my missing length L? That is n over 6. 16 equals 45 over 8. And 45 times 16 over 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 45 times 2 is 90. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 90. The correct option is 90. Option number 2 is option. If these two shapes are similar, what is the measurement of the missing side length? So let's just form a proportion between the similar sides. That is 64 over 96 equals R over 84. So R equals 64 times 84 over 96. So 64 times 84 is 5,376 divided by 96. So 56 it is. The correct option is 56. Option number 1 is the correct option. These two shapes are similar. What is the measure of the missing angle? That is 114 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Similar triangles and indirect measurement. Find K. So the original diagram included a smaller triangle inside a larger triangle. So redraw them as separate triangles, right? Now you can find the sides by using the same we do it, right? So that is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, you find the side C. So let's just use them as separate triangles, right? I'm not going to make them separately, but I'm going to do the same thing. C divided by 6 is equal to 4 divided by 8. 8 is the length of this QN in the bigger triangle, right? So C is equal to 6 times 4 over 8, that is 24 over 8 equals the option number 1 is the correct option. 3 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 it is. Write your answer as a number. We need to find D, right? 4 over 2 equals D over 2. D equals 4 times 2 is 8. 8 over 2 is 8. The correct option is 8 over 2, that is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 it is. Write your answer as a whole number or decimal. That is Q over 4 divided by 6 over 3. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 8. We need to find C, that is C over 5 equals 10 over 5. So C is equal to 10 times 5 over 5. 5 times 10 it is. The correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 10. Just make a ratio between there, like C is similar to this side and 10 feet is similar to this side. So just make the ratio between their similar sides and form a proportion. So that is C equals 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Hmm, let's just form a ratio between their similar sides. W is similar to 5 and 8 is similar to 4. So that is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by today. So we were working on the chapter we're working on is geometry. The lessons we have covered today are surface area, similar figure side lengths and angle measures, similar triangles and indirect measurement. So before the next session, you can complete all the questions for the lessons we just did. That is your until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Them down in the chat box and all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today.